I can't believe you got these. You already regret it?
I haven't looked at them yet.
I haven't looked at them either.
Pictures?
They're pretty clean.
You know how pictures are deceiving.
Do you want me to put them behind my back?
No.
You want me to turn off the lights?
Oh, man.
Dude, these are clean.
These aren't bad.
Those are clean.
I legit have
them. They're more gray.
More beige, too. I thought they were like more of a tan.
The stripe, no, that's a good orange. It's like a tannish orange. Dude, these are perfect.
These aren't bad, huh? For another $350. What up, guys? Today we have the unboxing of another $350 Israfils. Israfils. I don't know how you pronounce it. I know the name has a little controversy around it. These dropped August 22nd. Adidas.com. Adidas, Yeezy Supply.
Well, yep.
Standard price point of $220. For starters, the pictures are very deceiving. In hand, I thought it would have been more of a translucent. I guess it is a little bit. The translucent midsole, obviously a grayish blue. This is really nice, dude. Obviously, a standard boost peeking through, orangey, more tannish.
Tan orange.
And then for the outsole, almost like a light cream, almost like a light coffee or light beige on the outsole. These
lighter than the gum bottoms.
Yeah. And then you brought this to my attention. Something I didn't even notice when I was purchasing was
the new lacing system.
Oh my god!
So apparently, it has been teased on a few pairs before, but I believe that every 350 for the rest of this year is going to have this lacing system. And at first, I was kind of skeptical, but I kind of like it. I feel like it just sits on like a glove, and you don't have to touch it.
I'm not a fan personally.
Because of what reason? Appearance?
I don't know. I'm old school, maybe. Appearance, I think they would, be all right. But there's a reason why I don't like Jordan 5s either.
Okay.
Because of that lacing system. And this is called the Infinite Lacing System, you're saying. I totally forgot about that. And it does come with an additional pair of lacing. I guess that's what's in this bag here.
But the only way to remove this is to cut it off. There's no way to...
So you can't even take these off.
Once you take this off, you're sold on the other pair of laces.
So fresh out of the box, I gotta take a pair of scissors to my sneakers.
Yeah, do that.
If I don't want the new lace system here. Yeezy or Kanye has been on record saying he doesn't like laces. Anyway, so this could be the direction where we're going for the 350s.
So. I'm not against it. You seem pretty mad right now.
I'm not mad. I mean,
you don't seem happy.
I'm not happy, but I'm not mad. I mean, it's another 350. I don't know if I could rock these on a consistent basis, but a couple of outfits I can get these off in for sure.
All right, so at first glance, I'll be real with you. These will go with any denim jacket that you try to pull up this year. These scream denim jackets in the fall.
I can see denim.
Perfectly.
Are you going Canadian tuxedo, or you just...
No, definitely denim jacket with some, like, khaki or
joggers,
some khaki joggers or even khaki pants.
Okay.
So you haven't worn them yet, obviously, because we just opened these.
I haven't adjusted anything. Fresh out the box.
And then you obviously have Yeezys that you wear frequently.
I do.
And you do love the fit and comfort of them.
Yes, but this is the thing. I wear my Yeezys
all spread out,
untied. Anyways, so I like my.
So you're against a little condensedness.
I am. I like them a little loose.
Yeah.
They feel like clouds when you're walking on them anyways. I like them a little loose and free. Fresh out the box, scale of 1 to 10 without wearing them. 7.5 out of 10.
7.5 out of 10.
Out of 10.
I'm looking
at I might feel differently if I can rock them with a few different outfits, but fresh out the box, it's another 350 for me.
Another thing that people like to hate on is if it doesn't have a pull tab or not. At this point, I don't really care.
That drives me nuts.
I'd support pull tab.
That drives me nuts.
Are you for or against pull tab?
I am so for the pull tab. I hate Yeezys without, except for the Belugas.
Oh, Belugas are gorgeous. And no pull tab, you're gonna give them a 7.5 out of 10.
Easy.
Okay.
Easy. Where are you ranking these? Fresh out the box, you see them in hand. What do you think?
I'm at like 9.5.
Wow, a 9.5?
Only because I took these out of the box.
You're a huge
They're
fan
not
of these.
even mine, and I already know what I'm gonna wear with them.
Oh man,
It was hit me right off the box. I'm like denim jacket, khaki joggers, all fall long, and that's it.
Okay, got a little reflective stripe.
It does
I'm
have
just
that new
noticing
material too. That's what the 380s have. The texture on the beginning of the stripe. Now, be honest with our viewers.
Yes.
Are you gonna cut the infinity laces off?
Oh.
And put the standard laces?
I'm gonna wear them like this and see how I like them. If I can't adjust them to the way I like to rock them, I'll definitely cut them.
So now I can see what you mean, but at the same time, these are how you wear them.
Loose though, those are loose. I can adjust them easily. I don't know how easy these are.
You got some flex here. That's the same thing.
It's not the same thing.
That's not moving.
I don't. I can move those. I can retie them. I can adjust them the way I want on the fly. I don't know what I'm doing here. This is so. Maybe I'm old school. These seem just so confusing to me.
But these are the same thing.
It's not the same thing. It's a little looser. It's a little free. That's just for show. That knot there. It's just a show.
Yeah, but that knot is for show. That knot also means it's not moving. That's what a knot does.
No, okay. Cross stitching. Different. They seem different on every.
I'm not talking. Don't be getting off track. I want to talk about the knot.
All right.
Defend your knot, because you just told our viewers that you didn't like being constricted. That looks pretty constricting to me.
Trust me. Look how loose that is. Look how.
All right, so the undercarriage.
Yeah.
But you can have a loose undercarriage on this. Look, these are actually really stretchy. These are like elastic.
I haven't worn them yet.
These are stiff.
I haven't worn these yet. I mean, I could potentially wear them like that, but
Let me do this. This is stiff. Everyone see how stiff that is,
That's
right?
stiff.
You can see how stiff that is. Look at this. Look how stretchy that is.
I don't know.
I just got a point. You just lost a point on that one.
It's not the same. It's not the same. Trust me, they'll be different on foot.
Did you put any Coke in the Hennessy and Coke?
No.
Let's compare the stitching patterns between just random pair. These are called the Yeshilis.
I can't pronounce them.
You tell us what they're called.
Yeah.
So we'll do that. You can have these two. I'll do those ones.
So
and then you do this one.
What are you doing?
No, wait.
One of each.
No, you do this one, and I'll do that. But no, then I need that one too, though.
But you have two rights.
But this one's the.
Give me a left and a right. I think we're good here.
Now we have the left and the rights.
Yeah.
But then they. All right, I guess. Okay.
Do you know your left from your right? What are you doing? There you go. L and O.
All right, yeah. No, we're good. Okay. Love the stitching on these, though. This is so unique.
Only because it's almost like a raised,
It does. It comes
down the middle here.
It comes out. The inside has a patch too. That's the biggest notice on the new ones coming out. So on the new versions coming out this year, it has like kind of like a patch.
I do like
on
that
the inside.
though.
I like that a lot too.
It breaks it up a little bit.
It's a good, nice, soft material. So maybe if you are like out of size, it stretches.
Yeah.
And it will mold to your foot. So I think that's a great addition.
I do like the midsole on these better. I like that translucent look.
These are dark enough where they won't fade either.
Right.
Because there's a dark color on the outside. So that's great because we're looking at new lacing system.
Yeah.
That's pretty much, it looks like it's here to come.
I think it's going to stay. If he had it his way, there would be no laces in the 350s.
Yeah, he's walking around. His way, we were walking around barefoot with this little piece of rubber.
Well, look at the
taped to our foot.
slides.
Yeah, I know. How you like comfort and tightness? What comfort for lacing? How would you compare to other sneakers?
Compared to other sneakers, 8.5.
All right, so okay.
Out of
So
10.
you like the lacing system?
I love the
original.
lacing. The
Because
original.
it is kind of like a looser
Not too
scheme.
long,
Because
not
like, there's
too short.
nothing too like underneath this. There's just holes in the material.
Very easy
Which I
to
like.
tie up. If those get dirty, how are you going to clean them? It's a lighter shade. It's a lighter gray, almost near white. If someone steps in my shoe, how am I going to clean those laces?
Maybe if you like call.
That's a point for me. How are you going to clean those laces?
All right. But what if,
Yes.
we'll find out. We'll find out if Kanye cleans our sneakers in the next video.
That's not going to happen.
All right. Any last words you want to say about the new lacing system on the future of the 350s?
I don't like it, but I might have to get used to it. Or I might not. This might be my last pair. However, if the breads come out December with this new lacing system, I'll freak out.
Ooh.
I will be so mad.
He's gonna get mad.
I don't know if they're going to have the new system or not. He said this is what it's going to be from now on, but that's a Yeezy from the past.
And I think the
that's
380s are doing this too. I'm not 100% sure than this upcoming one, but I think...
I love them, but my biggest point is how am I going to clean them? I have to cut them off to clean them.
But you also have the spare laces, so when they do get dirty, you'll have a fresh pair. And then you can clean the fresh pair. These ones are the only ones that do.
First time.
With the infinity lacing system. So that is a pro.
First time.
You do get a spare pair of laces.
Yeah.
Life is short, buy the sneakers.
Life is short, buy the kicks. I like that.
That was today's video comparing the new lacing system compared to the old lacing system. Tell us what you think, if you agree with me or you agree with him. I'm sure you'll be seeing plenty of Yeezy related videos in the future. Stay with us. It's going to be a fun trip.
Absolutely.
See you later.
Peace.